Hi, Doc. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Kumusta po kayo, Doc?
Mabuti naman. Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Okay naman po. By the way pala, Doc, I'm Jola from Dexa Medica.
Bago?
Yes, Doc.
Okay.
Actually, last week lang po. Apo.
Okay.
Doc, kumusta po, Doc? Last time I was here, you have mentioned may trip kayo to Hong Kong. Kumusta naman, Doc, yung
Di natuloy eh.
Ganun po ba, Doc? Siguro, Doc, no? Anyway, Doc pala, the last time I was here, I have mentioned about my product na kung saan. Ito nga po, Doctor. Yan po,
Ano
Vometa.
produkto mo?
Vometa, Doctor.
Vometa.
Vometa FT.
Vometa
Yan po, Doc.
FT.
Na kung saan I've mentioned about yung FT means the new technology po, faster action through new technology. Na kung saan nga, Doc, yung if I will just summarize, Doc, recap. Na kung saan, ito sa faster new technology na na-address niya po yung rapid, it can address the relief, yung nararamdaman po ng patient natin, like yung vomiting and dyspepsia. And natapos din po ako, Doc, about sa dissolution rate. And for now, Doc, let me further discuss it with you na kung saan, ayan po. In relation po sa faster new technology po niya, I have mentioned before na it has a less than 2 minutes dissolution rate. As you can see here, Doc, it was proven given by the study na ginawa po ng Sharma et al. Last 2001, na kung saan, Doc, dito po sa isang graph, it compares yung dissolution rate po niya with regards to our originator, which is the Motilium. Here, Doc, in green, sa green po na po yung Vometa, and sa blue one naman po, as you can see here, is the Motilium. Na kung saan, Doc, it only proves that ang Motilium, Doc, it took 10 minutes para po ma-dissolve. While for us, it only less than 2 minutes po siya. And to prove that, Doc, dito po, in the second graph, meron po siya, Doc, na ito po, yung patient po, 75% out of 40 patient na undergo sa study, they said na, nga po, mabilis po yung dissolution rate niya. Which means, Doc, na yung pong Vometa po namin, yung pong rapid onset of action niya is mabilis, and di ba po maganda po yung, Doc, sa patient natin because it can easily cessate the symptoms.
Oo, maganda yun.
So, Doc, since I have mentioned already, Doc, ito po mga features ng aking Vometa, with that, Doc, am I able to boost your confidence to prescribe your product?
May bioequivalent study ba yan?
Yes, Doc, I have. And Doc, if you may allow me, Doc, in my next visit, I will give you the bioequivalent study. And may question pa po ba?
Wala na.
Thank you very much, Doc, and I hope for my next visit, you can try it to 2 to 3 of your patients.
Tingnan natin.
Thank you, Doc. And to, Doc, available po pala ako sa Mercury.
Magkano ba yan?
12 pesos, Doc.
12 pesos.
Apo.
Mas mahal ba yan? Mas mura?
Actually, Doc, in the leading or the originator, medyo mas po kami, Doc. Medyo mas mura po kami, Doc. Actually, Doc, it offers 50% cost effective po sa mga patient po natin. So, yung daily treatment po nila, makakasave po lang ng almost 50 pesos. Di ba po, Doc, isang malaking bagay na po yung para sa mga pasyente natin.
Mura kasi. Mapait.
No, Doc. Actually, Doc, our Vometa FT has a strawberry mint flavor. Yun po. So, which means yung patient po natin nasa better compliance. Na, di ba po maganda po yun sa mga patient natin. Na di ba po okay yun?
Siguro, oo.
Yan po. Ano yung mga question ko?
Wala na ako. Ako doktor. Ako mag-reseta.
Thank you very much, Doctor. And I hope Diyan lang ulit po from Texas.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Next.